Only 15% of university graduates worldwide can find jobs related to their university degrees. According to employers, more than 80% of graduates lack relevant technical and practical skills. These are disappointing statistics. It's because most of university courses haven't changed since many years. Many of traditional university courses are planned for the jobs and professions which do not really exist anymore. Usually you learn the things which practically have nothing to do with the job market and actual needs of industry. It's time that you take the control of your life. You should get what you really need. I3DL is a vocational high-tech training program, and it has a third-generation university style. With I3DL you will learn things you need to know about 3D tech, Industry 4.0, and how they revolutionizing the industry and whole job market. You will also get an international certificate for specific modules you select. And here's the good news. It doesn't take months or years. Just in a few days you can complete an I3DL workshop, and you will be technically fit again. The industry and new job market is waiting for you. You should register now or bring the I3DL to your city. Get further info on www.i3dl.org.